Okay, so they've told us what's happened in the transformation. They've told us that we've started with y equals f of x, and we turn out getting y prime equals minus f of x prime minus 2. Well, I just want to rearrange that second equation here that I've asterisking, so it looks in the same format as the first one. That is, just some function, not some multiple of a function or some part of a function with something else added on, like, 5x plus 3 and then all plus 7 or something. So I just want to rearrange that. So I'm going to rearrange it by dividing by minus 1. Y prime on minus 1 is equal to f of x prime minus 2. So it's written in the same format as this one I'm circling. I don't care about the left-hand side of the equal sign. I care about the right-hand side being just a function of x. So I've got that happening now. So this one here is just minus y prime equals f of x prime minus 2. So I can now equate those two. I can now say that this y here that I had equals this minus y. Y equals minus y prime. And this x up in the top here is the same as this here. So x is equal to x prime minus 2, because that's how the mapping goes. And just rearranging, y prime equals minus y, and x prime equals x plus 2. So we normally get some point, like the point xy, and we map it, and it becomes the point x prime y prime on our transformed curve. Well, we've just figured out what x prime equals over here and what y prime equals over here in terms of the original value. That is, we've shown that it maps to x plus 2 and it maps to minus y. So I can just take each of those points and do that mapping. I can take this point here, and x plus 2 means it goes across 2 units, and minus y means reflect it down in the x-axis. So it's 1, 2, 3, so 1, 2, 3, right there. Whoops. So I've got to redo that because I moved the thing. I've got to go plus 2, and then it's 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, right there. So what I've managed to do there, I've managed to translate across 2 units and then reflect in the x-axis. Same with this one here, translate across 2 units, and then that point gets reflected. So instead of being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units here. Okay, this point that's up here, it gets across 2 and then down the same number. So I'm going to hope that this is actually, is it equal? I don't know. And then this one here goes across 2 and then reflects down. So that was at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 high. So we go down 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we end up there. And this point over here, we go across 2 and then we reflect that. So it'll be right here. Okay, so then we can draw that in. It's sort of curved around. That's not the best picture, but it curved around like that. It went like that, and this one went like that there. So we end up with our picture of that by individually moving those points according to how the transformation went.